Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2020 Freightliner M2, folks. Beautiful unit. Cummins engine, automatic transmission, 330 horsepower L9. 54,900 GVW, big 315s on the front. Excellent tread, almost like a new tire, folks. Brand new steel bed. 25 by 102, brand new steel bed, brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, the underside of this truck is in excellent condition, turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. Refurb steel outer rim, brand new fronts on the rear axle, like new tires on the back axle. Airbag suspension, 54,600 GVW. Universal mounting kit. This is adjustable. This is a new setup for us, folks. We'll adjust from a 23 to a 29-inch spacing. We'll accommodate your Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. As I said, tire condition, brand new on the front axle, like new on the rear axle. 6 brand new straps and brand new ratchets, 75-gallon aluminum tank, 169,000 miles on this truck. Air ride, captain seat, bench passenger, AC, Bluetooth radio, automatic transmission, engine brake. Folks, is a beautiful unit. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our available trucks, trailers, Piggyback, Forklifts, Moffetts, Princetons, available for sale, brand new Load Max also. Give us a call, 260-238-4998.